Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I've been on his monkey app just messing around, and we had some good reactions and stuff. So we're just gonna jump into it and get right into it, bro. Let me stop fighting that trouble. But people on monkey be funny, bro. Hey, what's up?
Hello?
I got a question. I have time real quick.
And where you was from, so my bad.
Alright, you ready? People be tripping. Tripping. Hey, what's up? I got a question for you. I have time real quick. So would y'all date a dude shorter than you?
No.
Like, how tall are you?
I'm 5 foot.
So would you date a dude like that's 4'9"?
No.
Why not? Like, what if he was everything that you wanted? He's just short.
Then yes.
Then yes, I mean, like, so then you would date a dude shorter than you then.
Yeah. But if you don't meet my standards, then you gotta kick him out the door.
I mean, he'll meet your standards, but he's just not tall.
Are you not tall?
I am 5 foot.
Oh, you're my height.
So I have a chance of getting with you?
Yeah.
Because people all day say that short people are they not good enough for people. So
I think that's incorrect.
you think so? You think so?
Yeah.
Cause they was hurt my feelings. They were making fun of me because I'm short.
You're pretty sexy though.
You know. Nah, I'm playing. Hey, what's up? Sing it, girl. Sing it. Sing it.
You know that song?
I sure do.
Damn.
I got a question to ask time real quick.
Jenny, why everybody up?
I was trying to put you on the tube, bruh, but you wanted to not do it. So I mean, hey, what's up?
Hello.
I got a question. I have time real quick. Alright, so would you date a dude that's shorter than you?
Yeah.
How tall are you?
I'm 5'1".
So would you date a dude that's 4'9"?
Yeah.
All day I've been hearing they wouldn't do it because that's like they don't want to look like they care, like they taking like their kid out or something.
No, I would love that.
Why would you love a short dude?
Short dudes are cute.
Like he's everything that you want, he's just short, like.
And that's okay.
That's okay, you still love him?
Yeah.
What if like someone's like messing with you at like the club or something and your boyfriend can't do nothing because he's short? You gonna still love him?
What do you mean?
Like, okay, like say like another dude like slap your butt and your man like can't do nothing because he's short.
Oh, I kicked that guy's ass.
You'll beat him up?
I'd be the one to beat him up.
Bruh, that's funny. Cause like all day people been telling me like they don't wanna date a short dude because like they said it's not right. It shouldn't work. It shouldn't happen. What's your thoughts on that?
I would date a shorter dude.
You dated a short dude before?
Yeah.
Like how short?
Short.
Like how short? Like
I think he was 4'5", maybe.
That's sad
pretty
because
short.
that is pretty short though.
Yeah.
I couldn't. I mean, I couldn't date a girl that's taller than me. It wouldn't work. Cause like, what if she dunking before I can? Like I can't do it. It don't work for me. But I guess everybody got their own preferences or whatever. So I mean, I don't know. Tripping. Hey, what's up? You're not gonna say nothing? What you got an attitude for?
Bitch, you ugly, that's why.
You're ugly. Your breath stinks. Oh.
Yes.
The fuck? Shut up. Your breath stinks. Hey, what's up? Hey, ask her real quick. I got a question. Alright, so would y'all need to do shorter than y'all?
I'm just being honest.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, what's up? Hey, Atom Recruit, I got a question for y'all.
What?
Alright, so would your data do shorter than y'all?
Shorter?
Yeah.
No.
Why not?
Because I'm like a midget already.
Like how tall are y'all?
5'2", 5'3", 5'4", 10". I'm 4'11".
So say the dude is 4'9", would you still date him?
No, that's weird. There should not be. Are you short? No, you must be short.
I'm 5 foot.
You're short. You can date everybody. No.
I mean, like, cause look, what if the dude is everything that you want, but he just short?
Then maybe I might consider it. Yeah.
I mean, like, he's super nice. Like he don't like y'all don't argue for nothing. Y'all do like the perfect couple. He just short.
Then maybe. Then yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Maybe. I mean,
maybe.
cause like I've been getting I'm too short all day, so
Oh.
I know.
It's because we love a short king.
Hey, King, stop playing with me. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
I got a question. Answer real quick.
Okay, if it's about rating, I can't do that.
I promise it's not. It's not.
Okay, go ahead.
All right. So would you date a dude that's shorter than you?
No,
You wouldn't?
I wouldn't.
Why not?
It depends.
What does it depend on?
It depends on how much food. Like, no, for me, I don't know. I'm just like, I'm not like all about physical features, but like, I don't know.
How tall are you?
I'm 5'3".
5'3". So what if your dude's like, I'll say 5 foot?
Okay, that's fine.
What if he was 4'9"?
Oh, it's not. It's not.
But what if he's like everything that you wanted? He's just short. YouTube video? No, I don't have a YouTube.
Oh, okay, you asked me first.
Yeah, cause I'm short and I've been getting made fun of all day. So
Aww.
how tall am I? I'm 5 foot.
See, I said yes. So you'd be a Pat. I mean, you'd be. I'm so sorry. You'd be a. What is it? Sorry, hold on.
I mean, she told me she'll get with me. You know, I'm not. You know. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Add time real quick. I got a question.
Yeah.
All right. So, would you date a dude that's shorter than you?
No.
Why not?
Because like I want to kiss him and go. You know.
I mean, I don't know because I don't kiss guys like that. I don't even kiss guys. I kiss girls, and I have to look down at them. So.
Why are you short?
I am 5 foot.
I'm 4'11". So
I mean, so what if the dude is like 4'9"?
that tracks. If I'm 4'11", the dude's 4'9".
Yeah.
No. Nah.
No. What if he was like everything that you wanted?
If what?
He was everything that you wanted. He just short.
Then yeah. Yeah.
Then yeah. I mean, like, I guess, but you already said no to him being short.
Okay, but I mean, I will never have that problem though, because I'm like a midget already.
But like, what if you find another midget? But he's shorter than you.
I don't know. Never what you do. I don't really know.
Oh my goodness. People, they be on, like, they be, I don't know. Just woo. Hey, what's up? Hey, ask time real quick. I got a question.
Yeah? Okay, ask me.
Alright, so, would y'all date a dude shorter than you?
Huh?
Would you date a dude shorter than you?
What? Sorry.
Would you date a dude shorter than you?
Oh, no.
Why not?
Because then I'm gonna be taller and that's weird. Yeah, it's not good.
How tall are you?
I'm 5.
You're just
You're not 4. I'm 5'1".
5'1"? So what if the dude that you date is like 4'9"?
You're
No, I'm not 4'9". I'm 5 foot.
No. That's a no for me.
But like, what if the dude is like everything that you want? He just short.
I don't know.
Like it's your dream dude. He just can't grow.
Oh shit. Then I don't know. It's an I don't know. That shit probably doesn't even matter.
So you went from you wouldn't to now you don't know.
Well, I actually think it don't matter.
She said it don't matter, bruh. Girls, like I throw them off with that one question. They switch all the way to a whole different answer, bruh. Hey, what's up? I got a question. I have time real quick. Alright, so would y'all date a dude shorter than y'all?
Huh?
Would you date a dude that's shorter than you?
I am 6'2". I would not.
I mean, okay. How tall are you? How tall is the little Mexican girl, whatever she is?
She's 5'2".
You're 5'2"? I'm not trying to disrespect you, but like I didn't know what you were. But okay, so like, what if he was like 4'9"?
No.
Like, what if he was like everything that you wanted? He just short. No. Cause like they've been making fun of me all day because I'm short. So like I just want to know.
How tall are you?
I'm 5 foot. Yeah. So I've been getting made fun of all day.
Okay. So cute.
So like I can't find a girlfriend because I'm too short.
Then find a boyfriend.
I'm not gay.
No. But you could be.
I don't want to be.
4'11"?
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Can you answer real quick? I got a question. Alright, so how tall are you?
5'4".
5'4"? So would you date a dude that's shorter than you?
I don't know your height.
I mean, I'm 5 foot. Just like 5 foot.
I don't date people shorter than me.
But what if the dude is like everything that you want, he just short?
He can friend zone it. He's everything I want in a friend.
Oh, you gonna hold him like that?
I just don't see myself dating a dude that's shorter than me.
What are you, black, white, Mexican? What are you?
I'm black.
You're black? You don't even sound black.
What does that mean?
I mean, you just don't sound black. But look, I'm not really 5
I'm
foot.
well spoken.
I'm not really 5 foot.
So how tall are you?
I'm 6'2". I'm just making a YouTube video and I just try to lie so people can.
Hi YouTube. What was your YouTube?
Stop playing with me. She said she don't friends on that man. Hey, what's up? I'm from Houston. Out of town real quick. Houston. I got a question. So would you date a dude that's shorter than you? Like how tall are you? So what if you date a dude that's 5 foot? What if he's like everything that you want, he just short?
And I would use it for what I wanted.
What? You doing dudes like that? Like what you gonna use him for? Money. What if he broke? Okay, he not broke. He don't got bread like that. But he still take care of you and pay your bills. What do you mean you don't know? How tall am I? The world may never know. This girl says she gonna use these dudes, bruh. Girls are some ops. Hey, what's up? You're not gonna. Alright, that's cool. I was gonna put you on YouTube, but you good. You good. You good. Good. Hey, what's up?
You like my hair, bro? It's Star Wars.
I like it, bro.
Appreciate it.
I got a question for. Well, are y'all together or y'all siblings or what? What's up?
Siblings.
Alright, I got a question for y'all then.
Yeah.
Alright, so would y'all date somebody shorter than you?
Yes.
Well, for you, since you're a dude, would you date somebody taller than you?
I mean, I would try to, yeah.
I tried to do something shorter than me. I didn't like it.
How tall are you? The girl. How tall are you?
5'7".
How tall are your sister?
5'5".
I'm 5'3.5".
5'3.5".
So would you date a dude that's 5 foot?
I mean, like, that's not, like, much of a difference, so, yeah.
So would you date, okay, then 4'9" then. So would you date a girl that's 6 foot?
Yeah.
You would? I don't know.
Yeah.
I couldn't. I
got a question.
Go ahead.
Do you really love her if you don't eat grass?
I mean,
we got 4 seconds. Come on.
no. No. I couldn't, bro. I couldn't do it. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching my monkey video. I'm just messing around in this app, telling people I'm short just so I can get their reaction and their answers on it. If they did a dude shorter than them. Most of them said no, only because they thought it was weird. And the other people were yes, so they can use them, like that one chick. Because she's weird. Freaking weirdo. Girls be doing that? Y'all be using it, bro? Y'all be doing that? Y'all really be doing that out here, bro? Yeah. Nah, but I'm gonna let y'all get up out of here, alright? So, stay wavy. Peace out. Goodbye.